Fantastic opportunity for landowners and farmers to meet the full range of professionals and engineers who will deliver their schemes.
If you want to start and invest in renewable energy, this is a really good starting point.
It's not just pull-ups and backdrops and glossy brochures. There's actual big lumps of metal here.
It's important to make sure in the conference that we cover all of the different renewable energy topics. So we have sessions on wind, on solar, on hydropower, on biomass, on biogas, on energy crops. We also have sessions on energy efficiency, as well as finance, plus the keynote presentations.
3 presentations, well received, good audience, good participation. I've learnt an awful lot this morning. It's an excellent show here. The National Farmers Union are delighted to support this Expo event.
It was great to see that there's so much interest in renewable energy from a wide community.
We've been involved with this since its start. And it's important because actually farmers are part of the solution to providing renewable energy.
This year we introduced the Grid Connection workshop. We got together some key people from the grid connection industry, people that truly understand what's happened, what's happening, and hopefully the plans that they have to affect the grid to the point that it can accept as many connections as we want.
There seems to be a lot of questions, a lot of people seemed interested in what we said, and there seems quite a few people found them very, very rewarding and understood the issues better than they did before.
Energy Now is key. It's probably the highlight to our year in terms of getting in touch with the customers that are actually putting the renewable energy projects on.
I think people are regarding it actually as the event to come to now.
It's been a really good mix, so large businesses down to individual farmers, which is really good for us.
We will be back next year. It's definitely something I would recommend for people.
Good numbers, good quality, with a real interest in renewables.
This is probably the only event that I ever attended in the year, so yes, definitely one of the best shows that I've ever been to.
Very educational. If you need any information, they've got all the information on the stands, and there's no more that you need, really.
The highlight so far is probably seeing lots of different new technologies, which is always really interesting. We just went to go and see the floating solar people, and that was definitely something I've never seen before.
The fact that there's such a variety of people here is brilliant. You get the opportunity to talk to them, you get to hear from people who know what they're talking about.
From our point of view, loads and loads of visitors, loads of delegates. We've had simultaneous conference sessions going on. We've had more than 70 speakers over the 2 days. And from a logistics point of view, it's an amazing feat to bring all that together.
The feedback from exhibitors has been fantastic, with a number already reordering their space for 2016. So overall, the show has been fantastic for all involved. And also I'd like to add that the farmers and landowners have really turned out in their large numbers.